Myself, Dr. Kamlesh Kumar Singh, Department of Chemistry, DAV PG College Siwan. Today we are going to talk about pinacolone rearrangement. The transformation of 1,2-glycol to an aldehyde or ketone via the migration of an alkyl or aryl group in the presence of a strong acid is called pinacolone rearrangement. Example: the conversion of 2,3-dimethylbutane 2,3-diol into tertiary butyl methyl ketone in presence of H2SO4. In this example involves the migration of methyl group. Pinacol is a white solid organic compound. It is a diol that has hydroxyl group on vicinal carbon atoms. The name of the reaction comes from the rearrangement of pinacol to pinacolone. It is an important cationic rearrangement reaction. Fitting was the first to discover that treatment of 2,3-dimethylbutane 2,3-diol with sulfuric acid generated 3,3-dimethylbutane 2-one. The transformation gave rise to the name of the reaction and was shown to be applicable to the acid catalyzed rearrangement of most 1,2-diols. The mechanism: protonation of one of the OH group occurs and a carbocation is formed. If both the OH groups are not alike, then the one which yields a more stable carbocation participates in this reaction. An alkyl group forms, the adjacent carbon migrates to the carbocation center. The driving force for this rearrangement step is believed to be the relative stability of the resultant oxonium ion, which has complete octet configuration at all centers. The migration of alkyl groups in this reaction occurs in accordance with their usual migratory aptitude. The mechanism of this rearrangement is also known as push and pull mechanism. The loss of water and migration of the alkyl group may be simultaneous. The carbocation formed as a result of loss of water pulls the migratory group. Lone pair 1 oxygen pushes the migrating group. The mechanism proceeds via 4 steps. In the first step, since the reaction is carried out in an acidic medium, the hydroxyl group of pinacol is protonated by the acid. In step 2, water is now removed to form carbocation. In step 3, methyl group shift to the positively charged carbon and rearrangement of the compound. In step 4, the oxygen atom which is doubly bonded to the carbon is now deprotonated to give pinacolone. Applications in the synthesis of alkene. In the synthesis of high member cycloring compounds. That is ring expansion of cyclic ketone. When cyclohexanone is converted into cycloheptanone by treatment with CH3NO2 in presence of ethoxide ion to form nitro compound, which reduced and treated with nitrous acid and protonation to form ketone. Synthesis of ketone from cyclic diol. Pinacol rearrangement has been applied to produce ketone. Cyclopentanone is treated with magnesium ether and hydrolysis to give cyclopentane pinacol, which upon protonation to give a spiro compound. Highly branched oxo compound are very difficult to produce by other reaction. Pinacol rearrangement has interesting application in synthesis. 2,3-dichloro-2-methylbutane upon hydrolysis to give 2-methylbutane 2,3-diol, which on protonation to give 3-hydroxy 3-methylbutane 2-one. Migratory aptitude of groups. Migratory aptitude is the relative ability of a migrating group to migrate in a rearrangement reaction. Migratory groups may be alkyl, aryl, or hydrogen. Now, question arises: which of the two groups migrates when the groups are different? The migratory aptitude is governed by its nucleophilicity. The migratory aptitude varies a lot on the particular situation given involving stability of end products. Migratory aptitude of groups in pinacol-pinaclone rearrangement is hydride greater than phenylcarbanion greater than 3 degree carbanion greater than 2 degree carbanion greater than methyl carbanion greater than methyl carbanion. The reason this kind of migration occurs due to first help stabilize the developing carbocation centers, and second, once fully migrated, produce a resonance stabilized hybrid hydroxyl carbocation. Generally, both hydroxyl will protonable and lead to separate products. In terms of which group will migrate, the only thing agreed upon is that a tertiary carbon will migrate in preference to a secondary carbon, which will migrate in preference to a primary carbon. Clearly, the ability of the migrating group to stabilize positive charge play a role. The relative migratory aptitude determined for a real group by Bachmann and Ferguson. According to Ferguson, para-inosine is greater than para-toluene greater than metatoluene greater than phenyl greater than para-chlorophenyl greater than ortho-inosine. In this example, 2,3-diphenyl butane is converted to 2,3-diol. One protonated to give 3,3-diphenyl butane 2-on. This is an example of symmetrical pinacol in which phenyl group migrates rather than methyl group. Since phenyl group is more electron releasing group, that is more nucleophilic than methyl group. In this example, cyclohexane 1,1-diol is protonated to form a spiro 5,6-dodecane 7-on. Problem: find out when the product of the following.